So hopefully you guys can see me. Hopefully I'm in frame. Hi guys. So I'm just gonna start this out, kind of do my little normal intro. I'm gonna do this kind of vlog style. So let's do this vlog style. If you've never seen my face before, hello, my name is Catherine Christian. I would love it for you guys to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below at the end of this video right up here. But I'm doing right now is I'm packing for my trip. As you can see, I am all over the place. These are all the clothes that I'm taking. It looks like a lot, but I kind of piled stuff. I'm currently packing everything. I had everything packed and then I had to unpack it because I wanted to make sure I have everything to check it off my list. But if I haven't told you yet, I think I have maybe once or twice. I can't remember, but I am going to Brazil and Panama for spring break, which is going to be really fun. I'm going with the orchestra at UNI, and I'm very excited. So I need to pack for everything, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm packing. But I'm going to make it more of a vlog style video because I feel like I'm better at those. So I'll show you what I'm packing. I made a list of everything, all the clothes that I need, and like what days I will be wearing it, if you can see that, and kind of like a list of everything else. And I also have a list on this, which is like basically everything that I need to check off. My first thing I'm packing are some shorts. Obviously, I'm going to a warmer climate, so I need some shorts. I have 3 pairs of shorts, and I'm going to be gone for 2 weeks, so that should be plenty enough for my shorts. And now we're going to go on to the next one. The next thing I'm packing are my shirts, and I'm just going to show you how I actually pack my shirts. I'm bringing my Serengeti t-shirt, if you guys... Yeah, my Serengeti tee with the pocket on it. What I'm doing is I'm laying out the shirt, making a shirt doesn't have any fuzzes on it. Then I'm putting this thingy that comes with the packing cube right at the top. And I can link a video that I showed actually in depth of what I'm doing. And then folding it in. And then when I put it on the packing cube, if you can see that, I flip it over, turn it around, and set it right on top of the packing cube and take out the thing. So I'm just going to do that for the rest of my shirt. So this is going to be a type wraps now. And now the next thing I'm putting in are my pajamas. Obviously, I'm going to have pajamas on my trip, so I'm just bringing a pair of shorts, a top. It's from the Victoria's Secret fashion show in London 2014, so this was from like, oh wow, 4 years ago. That was a long time ago. And then another pair of shorts, and just a t-shirt that says Iowa High School Musical Theater Awards. And then I am also taking this sweater that you see here. It's a very lightweight sweater. And then I'm bringing this rain jacket that I can link down the video where I got it in. Since that is done, basically you put this thingy on the top, and I'm going to set you over here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Setting that on top and then just pulling everything in. So that's basically all the clothes I'm taking, besides like some dresses. Because I am going on an orchestra trip, I have to bring my black skirt, which is hanging right there. But I have already put my dresses in here, and I just have a pair of pants. Can you stop laughing at me? I'm just gonna bring these pants with me in case I get too cold. So a good thing that I noticed that when I was packing when I put it in, it wasn't sitting all the way down in my suitcase because of this part, which is basically the handle of the suitcase, so it goes in and out. So what I did is I put my socks, booty shorts, and strapless bra in between, so that way all of my space is being utilized to the best of its ability. Spin bottoms, my cover up. So I decided to put the shoes in like a little case, that way they don't fall around all the time, and now I have to do this side of my suitcase. So this is basically what I have packed. So this is this side, and then obviously the essentials. But then on this side, I'm gonna have all of my orchestra stuff, but you never know when you're gonna get your period, you never know. And then, so I have all of my toiletries in this bag, and then all of my makeup in this bag, and obviously I have a lot of space. I might have some more things to put in my suitcase, but it's not a lot. So that's basically everything in my suitcase. And so, I'm gonna do my outro now, and it's gonna be real fun. So if you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and make sure to comment down below where you're going for spring break if you haven't gone on spring break, or where you went for spring break if you did go on spring break before this video is up. Also, make sure to follow all of my social medias. My Instagram is right here, and then my Twitter is right here. I will definitely be posting a lot about my trip and spring break and all that fun stuff. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Link is down below at the end of this video right up here. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!